Hello dear viewers, how are you all? Fine, feeling well. I hope that all of you are well. Today we are going to start another interesting and important parts of speech which is known as conjunction. Dear viewers, conjunction is the 7 parts of speech, and conjunction is a word which joins two sentences, means that a word which helps to joining of two sentences is known as conjunction. How like the definition will be a word which helps to join two sentences is called conjunction. A word which helps to join two sentences is called conjunction. Means that the parts of speech from which helps to join one sentence with another sentence is known as conjunction. How like if I write example of conjunction, I will write that the birds fly. Now it's only one sentence that the birds fly. Now conjunction will help to join the second sentence. I will write that and cattle cannot fly. Now in this sentence you can look that here and is joining two sentences. The birds fly and cattle cannot fly. Here in place of and also if you use but, it will be more formal than and. So the birds fly but cattle cannot fly. Here this but is showing us, means but is a conjunction which is joining these two sentences. First sentence is the bird fly and the second sentence is cattle cannot fly. And this but is coming between these two and joining two sentences. So this is known as conjunction. Now dear students, we will study about the types of conjunction. The first type of conjunction is known as cumulative conjunction. The first The students, the first conjunction is cumulative conjunction, and this conjunction, the definition of this conjunction is also similar to definition of conjunction itself. Its definition will be conjunction which merely joins two sentences or phrases. Conjunction which merely joins two sentences or phrases is known as cumulative conjunction. Now here we study phrase also in preposition. That phrase is group of words which means helps in a sentence for giving a complete sense, but itself this phrase doesn't give a complete sense or idea. This was phrase. We also studied it in preposition. means I gave you some idea in preposition also. So the cumulative conjunction is a conjunction which mainly joins two sentences or phrases. How like, for example, Ali got first position and his father gave him a pizza. Now here, example of cumulative conjunction is also similar with the example of conjunction. Here this end is working as cumulative conjunction and the sentence is that Ali got first position and his father gave him a pizza. Now here, first sentence, second sentence. Now this and is joining two sentences. If we remove this and, Ali got first position, his father gave him a pizza. So it will not be a complete means an sentence. It is a sentence. If I remove and, it is a sentence, but it is another case. And this case also we will study inshallah in further after tenses, that why if you remove this and also, then what will be means what will be this sentence. So till now just understand that cumulative example of cumulative conjunction, that Ali got first position and his father gave him a pizza. This was first kind of conjunction, first type of conjunction. After this we will study the second type, which is known as adverse conjunction. The students, adverse means negative, means negativity, not positivity. Adverse conjunction is type of conjunction in which the first sentence will give you a positive meaning, and the second sentence will give you a negative meaning. How like you will understand it in example. First you write the definition of adverse conjunction, that the conjunction which gives adverse relation is called adverse conjunction. The conjunction which gives adverse relation means adverse relation. You can also write adverse relation between two sentences. Here you can also write between two sentences or of two sentences. The conjunction which gives adverse relation of two sentences is called adverse conjunction. How like you will understand it in example. In example I will write that Aisha is a hard working student, but she is greedy also. Now you can look that here this but is a conjunction and this sentence is adverse conjunction. Why? Because Aisha is a hard working student. Now Aisha is a hard working student. In this sentence it's giving us positive meaning, that she is a hard worker, a hard working student. But if you look to the second sentence, she is greedy also. In second sentence it's giving us a negative meaning, she is greedy. Now if someone is greedy, so it means that he is not a positive man, he is negative. Negativity is full, he is full of negativity. So she is greedy also. This is its negative part. So the adverse conjunction, in adverse conjunction, one part will be positive and the second part will be negative. So this was adverse conjunction. Now we will move to the third and last part of conjunction. Last part of conjunction is correlative conjunction. Correlative means pairs. You can say that a sentence in pairs. How like a conjunction giving us pairs of sentences. Pairs of sentences, or you can say that pairs of meaning in one sentence. How like if I give you example of correlative conjunction, I will write that Tipu Sultan was a great Tipu Sultan was a great king, but he also was a great soldier. Now here you can look that Tipu Sultan was a great. Now here this but is working as a conjunction, but if you look to a sentence that Tipu Sultan was a great king. Now he was a great king, and if a person is king, or if a person is means any president of any country, so it means that first he was leader. After leader, then he became a president or prime minister. If he was not a leader, then he couldn't never be a prime minister or president. Now here also, first Tipu Sultan was a soldier, then he became a king. Means it is giving us a sense, complete meaning, pairs of meaning in just one sentence. So this is correlative conjunction. So this was all for today. Inshallah, we will meet in our next lecture with next interesting parts of speech. So till then, Allah Hafiz and goodbye.